Right, welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 9b. A quadratic function f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c is the following properties. Right, f of 6 minus p is equal to f of 6 plus p for all real values of p. F of negative b over 2a is equal to 2. B squared is less than 4ac. Draw a rough sketch of f of x, labeling the turning point clearly. Let's discuss each point. F of 6 minus p is equal to f of 6 plus p. So f of 6 minus p, it means this is a what? A horizontal shift from x is equal to 6 to the right hand side. This is a horizontal shift from x is equal to 6 to the left hand side. The graph is shifted from the same point. It's shifted horizontally. So they are shifted from which point? The graphs are shifted from point x is equal to 6. So it means if we draw the Cartesian plane, the graph is shifted from point x is equal to 6. Okay. A parabola, remember, will have only one point where it has one x value. And then that point is the turning point. Let me just show you. Let's say we have a parabola like this. So this is the turning point. Otherwise, if it's not a turning point, you see we have two x values here. You can have two x values here. So a parabola has only one point where it has what? One x value, and then that point is the turning point. So it means x is equal to 6 is the x coordinate. It's actually the x coordinate of the turning point. Right, let's go to point number 2. Negative b over 2a is the axis of symmetry. For the axis of symmetry, x is equal to negative b over 2a. This gives us the x value of the turning point. This x value gives us the y value of 2. So it means we have this as the x value, yes, and then the y coordinate is equal to 2. Negative b over 2a will give us the x value of the turning point. And then if we substitute this negative b over 2a into the function, it gives us what? The y coordinate, which is 2. So it means the y coordinate is 2. Okay, so where is 2 here? So it should be here. So it means this point we have now 6 and 2. And then the last point. B squared is less than 4ac. Remember our discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So if b squared is less than 4ac, then means the discriminant is less than 0. And then the roots are non-real. Roots are non-real. Now the graph does not cut the x-axis. So it means this graph should be concave up. It's not cutting the x-axis. It does not have roots. So this is the shape of the graph. And then we have the labeling the turning point clearly. We have the turning point here with our x and y coordinates of the turning point. And then the y-intercept, you can have any point which is above what? Which is above 2. We have our y coordinate of the turning point, x coordinate of the turning point, and the shape of the graph. And any y-intercept which is above 2.